Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Frednick, 1 year anniversary, and absolutely amazing. You look at least 15 years younger.
Well.
So I will not give your age, but 21 is definitely out of the question.
Yeah.
So tell everybody out in the Instagram world and the Facebook and YouTube world about your experience here.
Boy. Well, this is like the fourth one I've had. So I've had other operations. This was the final touch. And he just took my hairline going back and just filled that in the back of my hair. And it actually came in pretty quick. I never felt really anything. I think there was music playing. I had a great lunch. And the staff is fantastic. And the price was right because I checked around. I'm a shopper like anybody else. And his price was good per graft. Trust me, big time difference. I won't mention the other people's names, but they're local. Anyway, you can see how I look, and I'm 69 years old. I'll tell you right now, I don't care about my age. That's what it is, and that's what it is.
So what we really focused on was recreating your frontal hairline because we felt that you had too deep of a recession. Your prior doctors went ahead and more made it a V and forgot to go ahead and fill in your left and right cowlick area. So what I prioritized was the left and right cowlick area. And then because I was working between prior incision sites, I also wanted to go ahead and make sure that I focused on your crown.
Yes.
So huge difference.
Big difference.
You have the freedom now to run around, and you also said that you're looking to style your hair a little bit differently.
I'm going to do the Michael Douglas look. Right now I'm letting it grow really long. It's longer than you think right now. When I comb it forward, it goes all the way here. Okay, so I'm going to get a stylist to do the Michael. I'm going to go back on it.
And I think it'll work for you. Overall experience, you
100%.
And you came back. Thank you so much for coming for the 1 year anniversary. You look absolutely amazing. I thank you for trusting in myself and my team. And I want you to wear your hair in good health.
Thank you.